Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. It's Memorial Day weekend, 2020. Here's what I'm doing. I own a 2005 Ford Escape, and I had a total power outage a couple days ago, heading over 4th of July Pass in northern Idaho. And my gas pedal went totally to the floor, car turned off, and I just rolled off the side of the freeway. Okay, backstory, last fall, I replaced a similar thing happened, and I replaced the coil, the spark plugs and the coil packs. In order to do that, you need to, I was surprised, it's not a 15-minute job, I'll guarantee you that. You have to take the manifold off, unhook a lot of things I don't even know the name of. Anyway, I managed to get it home. I managed to take it to a Ford dealership. They put it on their diagnostic machine. My machine wasn't sophisticated to tell me exactly what was wrong. What they believe it is one of those or two of those coil packs failed, and which led to the main computer brain of the vehicle to blow out, to malfunction. Apparently it's something that happens often. Maybe not that often, but anyhow, they put it on their machine, and that's their diagnostic. That's what they gave me. It would cost a little over $3,000 for them to fix and repair it. So that's not in my program. So I thought that I would record what I'm doing. First and foremost, if you're looking for a professional mechanic, I am not. I'm a shade tree mechanic that needs to save a buck. I told the kid that was helping me, the young man that was helping me, I says, looks like I'm going to have to part the car out. And he gave me a couple of ideas. And so apparently I'm going to use his suggestion. And I'm going to remove and replace the coil packs and plugs again. That's what I did last fall. And I'm going with the genuine OEM parts, original parts. And I'll go that route. It's going to cost a lot more money than what I paid, but having to do this again, if this works, what he suggested, I don't want to do it again. So I'm going to turn you around really slow to pause this camera or try to flip it front to back. It doesn't have that feature. So I'm going to turn you around so you don't get sick. Okay, there's your manifold. I got to take all of that stuff off. I don't even know the names of it, but that computer for the car is back this plate. These three things pop out. Take these nuts off the bolts, and then this is to slide out. Then there's a company, what's the name of them? It's Circuit Medic, something like that. And they'll have me send the old one in, and they will rebuild it for $249 and send it back to me. It's all pre-programmed. I mean, they program it there for the vehicle, and you're good to go. If I want to avoid mailing the old one in, it costs another $50. So I'm going to spend the $7 or whatever it costs and save some money that way and have them rebuild what I have. And then I just go ahead and I put it back together, and I'll be taking pictures all along the way. If I didn't say it already on this video, if you're expecting a professional mechanic, that's not me. I'm doing this out of necessity. I paid $3,500 for the car a couple years ago. Has low miles still. At least I think they're low miles, about 123,000 miles on it now. I've only put 15,000 on it. And if this doesn't work, I'm just going to part it out, get my money, and I'm going to try to buy a Prius somehow, some way. And that's it. So if you're expecting a professional mechanic, that's not me. I'm a shade tree mechanic. Thanks for checking in. Thumbs up. This will be video 1 on the 2005 Ford Escape 6-cylinder spark plug coil pack main brain. The next video I post will have the proper name to that thing. It's a PM something or an EM something. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for checking in. I do ramble. So we'll see you on video 2. Hopefully. Bye. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe. Bye.